everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, nice to meet you. Today's a really exciting day. If you guys didn't notice the title, I have my first magazine feature photo shoot today. So I'm pretty excited. I haven't had real photo shoots where I was ever styled by someone ever. So this is gonna be a really fun experience, and I thought I would take you guys along the ride. Hopefully the first of many of these type of things. And yeah, I'm super excited. I'm currently at my parents' house. If you guys can tell, the background is just, it's not my apartment, because where the shoot is located, it's actually closer to them. And I wanted to do my makeup because I'm doing my own makeup, because I offered to do my own makeup and my own hair. So that's what we're doing. I'm really stressed out, really freaking nervous. Fun adventure we're gonna go on here. And yeah, so we're gonna do the makeup. I'm going for more of a bronze look is what they want, and then some loose hair. You guys can tell I got a haircut, and it's perfect timing because now I'll have nice and healthy hair for the photo shoot. It's currently 12. I have to be ready at 1. I have to leave my house at 1. Not sure if I should have started earlier, but hopefully it's okay. This is the hair. It's a little curly, but I think it'll kind of straighten out, hopefully. I don't know. I hope this is fine. Kind of stressed, but now we're gonna do the makeup. I'm really nervous about this, but oh bro, I keep hitting my head everywhere. Wish me luck. This is the finished look. I really love how it came out. Now I'm gonna put on some shoes, a sweater, and get on going. I'm really nervous, but I feel confident. I took some selfies too, so that also means that I feel good because I can take a picture of myself. I haven't done full face of makeup in so long, I feel so weird, but it feels fun. Good time. I like how my hair looks. I feel like I just got out of the salon. I'm very proud of myself. So we're gonna head to the shoot, and then I'll see you guys at the photo shoot, basically. Okay guys, is it getting me? So we're about to get into the first outfit, just got here. It's so crowded, we're supposed to do it in the parking lot, but it's so crowded. Also, I'm stressed because I have to change in the car. I hope everyone sees me completely naked, but it's fine. Okay, turn it off. I'm changing. I don't know how to turn it off. Powerful woman. Yeah, you're done. It actually looks really covered up. It probably feels really open. Yeah, it does. Yeah, the body. This is the third look. Feeling powerful, like Superwoman. And then the bathroom open. Guys, if you want to say hi to my vlog. Yeah. I love it. Disgusting. Styling her for her relaxation magazine feature. Yay! I cry off my makeup.
Me gets ran over.
Hey guys, I'm back home. Just finished the shoot, or I'm back at my parents' house. I'm so tired, so I just made myself this little Also, I said I'm so tired, so then I'm showing you what I'm eating. I'm so hungry and tired, and I made myself a little cracker plate with some salami, pepperoni. Do you need to go outside? I have to go out with her because she's so tiny, and there's like hawks at my parents' house somewhere. So my dad makes sure that I go out with her. She's not going potty, so we're going back inside because I want to go lay down and eat my snack. If I'm supposed to have dinner with my family, and then I'm getting dessert with my friends, and that's the day. So if I don't vlog, I'll do an outro later. But hey guys, oh, this lighting is awful. Oh my god, I gotta go somewhere else. I am back home, as you can tell. I'm in my apartment, and on my right is actually my couch. I'll include the clip of us getting our couch in this vlog, so just roll the clip. Just right here. Oh, hi. Hi. Yeah, just on this one. Thank you.
It actually happened. We actually got the couch. Wait, let's put the rug down on the coffee table. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's even it out. Oh, good. Wow. Wow, this is a moment. Oh God, it's like coming together. Like, I feel like the chair will complete it. That's why. Yeah. I feel like the different colors face is not an issue. You know? No, it's not. And when we put white pillows on there and a white throw blanket or like a charcoal throw blanket, it'll look a lot better.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This is my first ever magazine shoot. Hopefully more will come because I really want to get into that type of stuff. I think it was so much fun. I had such a great time. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also follow my Instagram. I will be posting some of the pictures from the shoot soon, and then you guys can like get the actual magazine of like me in it eventually. Maybe I'll post on my Instagram like when you can. If you guys are into that, that would be really cool. I'll show you the couch right now because I don't think I showed it with this little throw blanket. We're going to Target today to like get some pillows. I'm really hating this white on white situation, so I need to include some white on the couch to balance it out. But I have visions, and we have a chair coming. I have the dining table I need to put together over there. I'm so happy that it's all coming together because it makes me very satisfied. For more updates on the apartment and my life, don't forget to subscribe because big things are hopefully coming. I have a lot of hauls coming up. I'm super excited about some new stuff I've been getting. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day, amazing week, amazing life, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. The way I almost forgot the iconic kiss. Bye guys.